Alright, yesterday I spent about 2 hours framing this in for the air conditioner. And I thought, oh, I know the dimensions are 12.5 by 16. Maybe I should get the AC and make for sure. Don't go off the dimensions on the box or whatever you read on the internet. Get the AC and bring it back. You see that right there? A little bit of a reveal. That's a little raised up a little bit, so there's another 1/4 inch. And you won't get your build completely done. You have to go in there and rasp or grind out around here. So I'm glad that I did. That's going to save me a lot of hassle later on after I put the skins on it. I built this one out of 2x3s because it's going to go on a much heavier duty trailer, and it's going to be pulled by a 1/2 ton truck. So why not go with the higher quality lumber? I mean, it's not a little bit heavier. It's not that much more. You're looking at what is that? It's 2.5 versus 1.5. It's just almost double on the ribs, but you know, you're looking at 10-12 ribs there, so maybe another 10 pounds. So it's not that necessary to cut all that extra weight since it's going to be pulled by a truck. Alright, there's the top of it. So keep watching. I will update y'all every time I get a little bit more progress made. So in the meantime, I'm just having a good time. Thanks.